Alright, this is the Nature's Comfort NCB 325G. This one's set up for coal, so we have a coal shaker handle to go with it. Quick overview, we have a 325 gallon unit that has a large firebox, simple updraft gasification. We have the float here, which I can explain a little bit. Basically, it is just a stainless steel ball, if I can get that floats down in the firebox. And then when it's set there, when this is level with the top of the rubber, it's actually the boiler tank is full. Sometimes as it heats, it'll go up above that, but that's all that's necessary. And then if it gets down to about here, you want to refill it. Lift hook for easy installation. Easily removed ash pan. This hook here holds it in, keeps it tight. The longer ash pan is for the coal units. There's a shorter ash pan for wood. Or you can get a longer ash pan if you prefer it. Large door makes loading fuel easier. Now this unit doesn't have the coal or the fire bricks installed, but generally, if you come in a little closer, there would be a row of fire brick here and another row here, and fire brick in the back, and then another piece up front here. You can see the shaker grates move easily, they're easy to center. The air system in the back here works with a split air system. The blower blows into the bottom and comes up underneath the grates. And then some of the air is directed up this tube, and there's a series of holes in here that burn off the gases that are burning in the top portion. The chimney is set low with a water jacket around it, and by doing that we have the gases trapped up top. The hottest gases are forced to burn in the upper portion as cold air comes in, creates hotter gases. Some of the cold air is forced out the chimney. That way we get a cleaner burn. And that's why this system here works as a gasification system. We have a flashback system here. So as you open the door, you can stand behind the door, open it here and allow the system to breathe for a few seconds before you finish opening it. And that allows it to breathe, burn off a lot of the smoke that's inside. Because of the high efficiency design, there's a lot more smoke in the firebox than generally is found in a typical updraft unit. But that's okay because that's efficiency. The smoke is burning here rather than going out the chimney. A very simple latch system for opening the back door. Very easy access here. You have a large blower, a damper system that allows the high flow air. Everything's pre-wired. The pump is pre-installed. The returns in the top here, and that actually injects water directly into the water jacket around the chimney. So the coldest water that returns from your home or building is going to go to the hottest part of the unit. And then from there, it flows over the rest of the boiler. And it's actually computer tested until the water flow is exactly perfect to get the most motion and the most movement over the largest area of the boiler. We have about 95% movement in this unit, which is a huge improvement over our original design, which lacked that. We had a water return in the corner, and there was about 60% water movement. One of the things we also have is it's set up here for a second pump. You can actually run up to 4 pumps on this unit. And very simple system for powering it. The pump is plugged in all the time. The switch here controls the solenoid and the blower. The pump continues to run. That way if you want to fill it and it's running, you don't want the smoke in your face, you just switch the blower off and fill it up, switch it on when you leave. Also the unit uses a tail here, power tail. When you bring power in from your house or building, power comes in here and powers this receptacle. This tail powers the boiler, and the advantage of this system is Normally you're running like this, but if you have a power outage, you want to run it on a generator, then you simply unplug this and plug it into an extension cord to your generator. A very small generator, about a 1,000-watt generator, would run this without any problem. Some people would run them on 700-watt inverters on a car battery for a day or two. So it's very low power consumption. Simple, very reliable mechanical aquastat. Controls the boiler water temperature. And a high flow pump to move water, lots of water moving through the boiler, and to compensate for head pressure and pipes and all the heat exchanger and all the resistance you get in your install. By having a larger pump as our standard, we reduce issues where someone doesn't have enough flow. There's a simple fire grate system. It works the same way. Air comes up underneath and air boosts from the top. Well, with a simple fire brick system that's pushed to the front, helps make sure that we get a clean, even burn when burning wood.